Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how to use this indicator, IFVG indicator in LuxAlgo. So go to LuxAlgo, go to library section. As you can see here, from the search indicator, search for IFVG. Click this keyword. As you can see here, you will see this indicator. So basically, this is the indicator. Click on the see details. You will redirect it to this page. This is for indicator. So all you have to do, you can get access. You have a free guide here, how you can set up this indicator. You can set up stop loss or add the single. So as you can see here, so you can show last performance ITR multiple. In this case, from the trading view, click get access. And you can get access through trading view. From this section, as you can see here, this is the source code. All you have to do, click this icon, use on charts, and then complete your accounts with the trading view. So log in your accounts with trading view in this section, and then you will see this page. So just await to loading this indicator. As you can see here, you can set up this indicator easily without any problem. In indicator here, click get access again, and then you will see this page. This is indicator. Click use on charts. You will redirect it to a trading view. From this section, as you can see, friends, you can add all indicator and you can use to start trading. This is the candle, as you can see here. This is indicator setup. You can set up sell and buy. You can set up all the ticket minimums, week style, all the details here. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.